Guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video we are going to unbox this Tokyo Treat. I have just received this Tokyo Treat box today and I don't know what are inside, so we are going to reveal it today by unboxing it. And if you want to purchase this box of Tokyo Treat, then I will make sure to put a link in the description of this video. You can click on it and purchase this Tokyo Treat in good amount of discount. So now, without doing any delay, let's start to unbox this Tokyo Treat. So there are some tapes here. So let me cut it firstly. Let me open it in this way. So seems like we needed to open it in sideways direction, okay? It is not like we can open it in this way. So I have to take out all the things that are available firstly in this way. Let's see what are there. Okay, so there's nothing more. Okay, so let's see what are in this. So what is this? Let's start from this one. So this seems like some kind of candy or noodles. You can see it properly. So here are some sweets, I think. I don't know exactly what are these. I think my daughter would love these. So this is some kind of candy, I guess. Similarly, let's see what are these. Are some chocolate, okay? So these chocolates are a little bit smooth, okay? And here is Nestle's Kit Kat. Similarly, what is this? Let's see it. So here are the details about, I think, sweets. There's some kind of photo contest, as you can see here. I don't know how to take part in it. Here we have a juice, a soda juice, I guess. Similarly, here you can see we have some small corn, I think. You can see it properly. Similarly, we have some chips, and it is, I think, some kind of pancake type of strawberry pancake. Similarly, what is this? It is also chips, I think, sweet, maybe like cheese ball type of chips. So let's see, what is this? No, I absolutely don't have any idea on what exactly it is. You can put the comment in the below if you know what exactly it is, okay? Similarly, let's see what is this. So in my country we find something like this. It is called chupa juice in our country, okay? But I don't know exactly if it is the same sweet, but if it is, then kids are going to love this sweet. Similarly, here are Pandora or something, what like these are some kind of sweets, I think, that are in this kind of shape, like smile, laugh, this kind of. Similarly, we have another cheese, I think it is a cheese. So altogether, guys, we have Christmas thing available in our Tokyo Treat box. So I hope this unboxing video was interesting and helpful for you, and if you are thinking to order this Tokyo Treat, then I'll make sure to put a link in the description where you can order this Tokyo Treat in the discounted price. So this much I wanted to show you in this video. Take care, have a great day, bye bye.